Si next maid Holland, Ninong Josh. Ayan. Okay, si next maid Holland, Nongning Melvin. Diretso pala ka din Nongning, oh. Mamaya tagilid na yan. Picture mo na nila, picture. Alright, for our second to the last maid Holland, Tito Romeo. There's Tito Romeo, okay, wag na, oh. Si Ninong Melvin, magdiretso pa. Picture mo na dito. Alright, and for our last maid Holland, Kian. Palapagan mo natin si Kian. Come on, Kian. O picture na lang mo yung Kian together with Ate Kisses. Masama loob ni Kuya. Alright. Ayun niya talaga yung guys. Okay, sis, stand up